Two naughty students in a school, Raju and Som, were classmates in class 5 and companions to walk to school from home and return. Once, on the way to school, Raju said, "Friend, I have an idea." Yes. Tell me, what's the idea? Som got excited with the probable idea that would be nothing but some naughty suggestion. Raju pointed at 3 goats that were grazing in an open field next to the school. Som could not guess what the idea was till Raju told him that they should be the last ones to get out of the school when it is over, and that they would catch these goats and release them in the school. He also added that when the school would open next morning, everyone would waste time to search them and no class would be held till these were found out. Som could not understand the plan. He said that was not difficult to search 3 goats and these would be found in no time to normalize the teaching schedule of the school. Raju said, "This is the game plan. They will not be able to find the goats that easily. See what I will do." After the school got over, the 2 friends overstayed in class on the pretext of studying. When everyone was gone home, they got all the 3 goats to the class. They made a black circle with paint on the back of the goats and Raju started putting numbers on them. He put number 1 on the first goat, number 2 on the second goat, and number 4 on the third goat. Surprisingly, it was number 4 on the third goat. Som was astonished. "Why have you put number 4 on the third goat?" Raju laughed and said, that was the idea. See, they will look and search for goat number 3 all day long and will not be able to find it. It will always remain untraceable. Next day, the 2 naughty boys were in school ahead of the scheduled time. Soon there was uproar that there were goats in the school. Someone screamed that there are 4 goats when number 1, number 2 and number 4 got easily traced, but number 3 was nowhere to be seen. The entire staff of the school got busy looking for goat number 3. The teachers went to each class searching for goat number 3. Some of the brave men with detective instincts were spotted looking for the goat on the roof of the school. Some senior students were engaged and deputed to help teachers in the pursuit. Much effort was made to find goat number 3. But this could have been found only if it really had got lost. Everyone was bewildered, but Raju and Som were very happy. With a naughty idea, they made a goat invisible. Friends, this story naturally gets us a smile. But we must also understand the hidden message in the story. The third goat in reality are the things that we are constantly searching and make ourselves overwrought and worked up as we fail to get them. Rather, we never get them because they do not exist in reality. We want a life that is perfect, having no problems ever. It does not exist. We want a life partner that can completely understand us and with whom we never have a difference of opinion. It again does not exist. We desire a job or business where everything goes smoothly. It does not exist. Is it essential to remain fidgety and distraught all the time for something? Whatever is happening in our life can be sufficient and enough to solve the puzzle of life. And it is possible that the third thing that we are looking for may not actually exist. And maybe we are already complete and abundant with things and features that make life abundant.